we going to purchase this morning?
Some bear spray because we got spooked out in the bush, and it's just common sense to have bear spray.
Yeah, but I think we spooked ourselves out.
I think so.
What if we see a bear? What if we see a cougar?
Everybody says that bear spray. We don't have that in Ontario. So the cougar thing is what got me.
Yeah. So we're gonna get some bear spray, each a bottle, I guess.
Then we're going for a road trip on the island.
Yeah, we're gonna continue our Vancouver Island tour. So we're gonna make our way to Tofino, and I just looked on the map, and it looks like there's access to backcountry going up there. Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Sheila.
And welcome to
This Life of Ours. Well, it looks like we have ourselves some more snow. Starting to think we're in Ontario at times. The sun is coming out. It's a wintry morning once again here. That sums it up. Doesn't look like we're going up to the mountain again today, Mike.
Maybe we will.
Maybe we will. We got chains now. All that snow, eh? Let's open the door. Check that out. Here, big door. No, not big door because we're running the heat. Little door. Yeah. It's winter.
So we had a dumping of snow last night. So that gives us an opportunity to use our brand new chains that we never installed. So these are the Auto Track self-tightening traction chain. They had good reviews, so that's why I went with them. Part number is the 0232805, and my tire size for some reason isn't on there. See, the tire size I'm running is 255/85/16. It's not on this tag, but they did tell me it would fit, and they also told me they were non-returnable. So let's see if this works out. Okay, so let's open this up and take a set out. Okay. So let's do this. So this is the way I'm thinking that this is done. So let's see if this works out. Now, if anybody knows or is sure for a fact that I'm doing this wrong, please let me know. So, up to install, down to tighten. So let's try it. So this should go right here, like so, and now down. But it should be facing the other way, I think. So, it should be facing, see? That doesn't look right. That does not look right. Not maybe it is right. Yeah, again, I want to do this in minus 40s. Yeah, let me reassess. What am I doing here? So I feel like this should be facing out, like that. So what do I do? Okay, we'll do a take two. So obviously, we're doing something. Okay, well, let's try this again. There might be a left and a right, is what I'm thinking. Let's try it this way. Maybe that'll work. This again. Now this, and this.
Should I get under here? What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Men don't do that. Ice road banners.
Now,
Okay, nothing on us once we learn this.
this side one, this side. So we like these two, and then go like this. Now this red one is gonna go here, and this one here. So what am I doing wrong?
Maybe it's the way we're in the snow.
It's like a very...
Team Mike. I'm for Team Mike.
Well, for Team Mike. Okay.
Did you get it? Oh, wow.
Not sure. We'll go ahead a little bit and we'll see if they tighten. According to them, when I move forward, this should all tighten. And this should be perfectly on. Let's see how this works.
We're going to the mountain. They said we could if we had chains.
And that's how you install chains. They look like they're on there. They seem pretty tight. We're gonna go up this hill and see how we make out.
Here we go. To the mountain we shall go.
So I'm gonna put the van in 4 low. Boom. And the real test is this hill coming up right here.
Eek.
That's success.
How could you not want to come back out here? Check out the view. The mountains are beautifully snowy. The trees are green. The snow is white. Can't get enough of this stuff, can we? And voila, we're home.
Home for tonight.
This is our home for tonight.
I'm gonna break the trail. So just in case tomorrow it rains or something, there'll be a trail broken. And then I'll back her back up here.
A winter camping we shall go. A winter camping. We're not camping, we're housing. We're living in the bush in the winter in a van. And we're living it.
High five.
Success. And we'll just show you. We could continue if we wanted to, but we don't want to because this is a cute little spot here.
What are you making, the head or the
I'm
body?
making a snowman.
The head or the body?
Probably the body.
Okay, I'll make the base.
Yeah. Hey, what's that? Nobody's perfect. You don't need to be perfect either, eh? We'll just fill you up. Fill you up. Watch your terminology, Stuart. Watch your back and look at snowman. Right here.
Whoa. Now we're creating the head.
So first you make a ball, and then you roll it very, very slowly and delicately, because it's very important. The whole snowman.
The head's the most important thing?
Well, yeah.
Or Sheila can.
I can. I don't know if we can stay.
Well, let's try it. See what happens.
Yeah. Oh, I'm warm. Yep.
You want to stay warm? Build this one.
So to make a snowman, he needs 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, a scarf, some buttons, and arms. So today we have a hat and a scarf, a couple noses to choose from, but we're missing the eyes, the arms, and the buttons. Right, Frosty?
He can't say nothing. He's got no mouth.
We're going to build him one. So I found 2 eyes.
And I found 2 arms. Oh, this one.
So let's go
There.
give him some eyes and some arms.
Some arms.
Yeah. And now we gotta give him some eyeballs.
Looks creepy.
It does. That's not bad at all. He looks happy. Well, well, Frosty's already starting to melt. He's lopsided. Look, his eyeball's already popping out. We just fixed it. Oh, it's okay. So let's have a peek. Oh, schnitz. What? You got no eyes, no nose, and no mouth? What the heck's going on there? Yeah. Success!
So now I'm going to take off the chains. Now we'll move the van ahead. And that's that. Chains are off.
So what's going on here?
Now I've been keeping the chains on the outside because they're quicker to get to. And you're not trying to put these wet chains away in the package they came in. I'll do that when they're nice and dry. So that's where they stay, back here. And if anybody's got a better idea, let me know. But this is what I came up with.
So if you didn't hear him, if anybody has a better idea, let him know, because this is what he came up with. Stress-free zone in 8 kilometers. Isn't that cute? We had to stop so that I could take a vid of this, because I thought that was adorable. Especially this little guy here. This guy here. He's the funnest of them all. Isn't he just adorable? Sad, it's closed for this season. Very cute place, eh? So we spotted this when we came out of the little store. That gives you a visual. It's crazy, eh? What we're doing to the earth.
Tofino was actually pretty disappointing. It's really touristy, that's for sure.
I thought you said we could go anywhere on the island.
Yeah, nowhere near there. Well, as you can see, Tofino was pretty disappointing to us. But keep in mind the time of year. Also keep in mind that Tofino doesn't have many places for van lifers to park overnight. While we were there, we met up with a local and he shared with us that years ago, him and his dad would drive to Tofino on a dirt road and the vibe was more hippish back then. So we looked into it and here's what we learned.
Tofino was once a timber and fishing town, but it's much more known for its surfing. Its location is on the west coast of the island. The roads were unpaved until 1971. Highway 4 is the main east to west vehicle route on Vancouver Island with a total length of 162 kilometers.
If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And we hope to see you on our next adventure on Vancouver Island.
And we're going to leave you with a curvy drive from Tofino. Bye.
Bye.